So again, friends, we're counting and writing from 100 to 120. We're going to find 10 more and 10 less. Okay? So let's go over our vocabulary again for the week. It's the same as it was last week, but I want to make sure that we know. The first one is digit. What's a digit? Somebody tell me what is a digit. Kenneth, tell me what's a digit. Very good. Numbers. Digits are numbers. Give me a digit, Paisley.
1.
1, John.
120.
100 to Ara. Yes. Colin.
50.
50. There. 2. All of those are digits, okay? So, who remembers what a place value is? What is place value, Johan?
The value assigned to a digit on its position in a number.
Good job for reading it off the board. It's the value assigned to a digit or its position in a number. So again, think about a T-chart, because I told everyone, think about your T-chart. So if you have a T-chart, which way do we read?
This way.
What's that
Right.
called?
Left to right.
Very good. Left to right. All right. So when I'm looking at this board, if I'm looking at my T-chart, can everybody see? Let me back up a little bit. If I'm looking at my T-chart, I'm going to read on this side to this side. So that means this side is my what side?
Left.
Say it again.
Left.
It's my left, but what is it in the T-chart? It's the 10 side. This side is my what? 1 side. Very good. Because you need to know that when you start reading left to right, because we're getting ready to start doing the hundreds place. Okay? So I need you all to be very careful about it. Yes, sir.
Is it like you're driving a car?
Yes. Just like you're driving a car going left to right. All right, good job. All right, next. Looking at your charts. What is a row? Kayla. Okay, which one is it? Because we got a row and then we have a column. So which way does the row go? Phone friend? Phone friend? Charlie. Left to right. Alright? So when we got a row, friends, it's a group of numbers or objects that go from left to right. What about a column? What does a column do, Aiden? Very good. It goes up and down or from top to bottom. A column goes from top to bottom. I hope that Hamina and Elian are listening. Thank you. All right. So let's move on, friends. Let's go into session 2 of our work. So, everybody look at the screen. We're going to do our quick images. Y'all know how we do this. That means I'm going to put the screen up real quick and I'm going to take it away. All right? So, can everybody see? All right. We ready? Here we go. Think about it. All right. How many dots did you see, Coriana?
33.
Okay, Coriana said she saw 33. Did anybody see anything different? Ara. Okay, Ara said she saw 22. Paisley. Okay. Paisley said she saw 23. So I got my... I'm sorry. The who? Oh, so you said the same as Coriana. All right, so let's look at it. Because I want us to see again, because I told y'all a certain trick on how to figure out what the numbers are. So let's look at it. Guess what? Who was right?
Me
And Coriana and Paisley were right because how did you figure that out so quickly, Coriana?
Because they had 3 frames and 1 frame didn't have all of the dots.
Very good. So she looked at it first Y'all remember last week we were grouping numbers, right? We were grouping groups of what? What were we grouping? Groups of what? But what? 10. Very good. So we had 10.
Another 10. Another 10.
But it's 10.
20.
30. So we counted by 10s, and then we went here and counted by what? 1. So there's
31, 32, 33.
very good. So there are 33. All right, let's look at the next one. I'm going to turn to page 397. It has a square. 397 with a square.
I found it.
When you have it, y'all know what y'all do. Show me.
I found it.
Pointer fingers up. Up. Pointer fingers up. All right, put them on the first word. All right, Miss Trina's reading. A small road runner eats 88 seeds. How many seeds?
88.
You gotta put an 8 on that. 88. All right. A large road runner eats 10 more seeds. Listen. Listen. How many seeds does the large road runner eat? Now, you're going to do this on your own. So you're going to try it for the next 30 seconds on your own. Now, let me give you a clue. You have your chart, your 120s chart in your hand. So, figure it out, and then we will discuss it. And go. 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Now, what I want you to do, I want you to turn to your shoulder partner, and I want you, number one, I want you to tell your shoulder partner your answer, but I want you to also explain to your shoulder partner how you got your answer. Everybody got it? Capiche? Let's go.
So you said I found
Bring it back in 3, 2, and 1. All right, I need one group. Since I saw Ara's hand first, your group, explain how you came up with whatever answer you came up with. Ara has the floor, so our eyes should be where? On Ara. Let's go. Okay, she said her answer was 98. How did you get to that number? Okay, so she put her finger on her 120s chart. So everybody should have looked at their 120s chart like this. Everybody have it? So what number would you have found first? No. What number you find first? 88. Why? Paisley, why?
Because you need to count forward and you need to find a number.
But why would I do 88? Okay.
Because that was the first number.
Very good. It's the first number. Y'all remember we talked about that last year. It was the first number that I said, right? So I'm going to find the 88 on the chart, right? And then, just like Ara said, I went for a 10. You remember yesterday, I was telling you, if we count by 10s, we would go down to what?
Column.
We would go down the column. If we were counting by 1s, we go which way?
Left to right.
We'll go left to right, so that means we're counting on the rows. Okay? Very good. All right, so turn the page. Let's. All right, so on my board here, even though this is our 100 chart, so all you're doing now is when it gives sentence. There are two things, Paisley.
10 more.
Very good. 10 more. 10 more means that we're doing what? Adding. Very good. More means to add. Give me some more words that say add. If we were adding, what's another word that we would get?
Join.
Join. What else? In all. Okay? Those are the common words that we use. Alright? Now, so since we said it was 10 more, I just told you we're going down the column. So our next number that's 10 more is 98, right? If I said 10 less, what number would it have been? Very good, because we went which way on our chart? Backwards. Very good. So 10 more than 88 is
98.
98. So you should have that in your box. Alright. Let's connect our stuff to our culture. Where do you think the green leaves or petals and fruit in the basket are from? Anybody want to take a guess? Rowan? Where do you think they're from? Okay, he said China. Okay, China. I can't talk. Tyree? Well, it possibly is from a cactus, but we talked about cactuses yesterday, Johan.
I don't think I know it's from a tree.
Okay, he said he knows it's from a tree. But guess who was close to it? Sorry. He was. Let me show you. It is called a noble cactus. Alright, so take about 30 seconds and turn to talk to your partner about, y'all didn't know what y'all trying to talk to them about. You're going to talk to her about an experience you may have had with this type of plant. Go. Alright, bring it back in 3, 2, and 1. So, let's talk about it just briefly real quick. So the prickly pear-looking fruit of the noble cactus contains many seeds. You guys see all the seeds and stuff in there? It contains many seeds. And it kind of makes me think about strawberries and their little seeds that they have on them. What do you think people make with, somebody raise their hand, what do you think people make with the prickly pear fruit? Isn't it like a pear fruit? What do you think they make?
Pears, like cactus basket and have like strawberries.
She said she kind of think they make cactus bites or like strawberries. Okay. Anybody else got to guess what they think they make?
I would say they just put it so animals can eat them if they want.
But animals could eat it, but guess who else could eat it?
But humans.
Humans eat it. They make things out of it. And so they can make like jams, or they can make juice, or they can make ice cream out of it.
Ice cream.
Y'all love ice cream. Alright, so let's move on, friends. You ready? Let's move on. Everybody turn over to page 399. So now we're going to apply it. Alright, so I'll wait. What I am going to do now, I am going to tell Siri to give me a number.
Hi, Siri.
Hold up, don't be calling her. Let me call her. And when Siri gives me that number, you're going to circle that number. I'll wait. voice level 0. Crayon or a color pencil, no worries. If you don't have one, borrow one from a friend. Okay. What voice level should we be on? Okay. So, are you ready? Hey, we got only about a couple of minutes, and we're going to do this game real quick. I'm going to do about 3 rows. That's it. All right. Y'all ready? So, I'm going to ask Siri to give me a number. And what you all are going to do, you're going to listen for that number. With your pencil, you're going to circle that number. Then I'm going to ask you to either find 10 more or 10 less. Okay? And you're going to circle that number.
Okay.
Everybody got it? Capiche?
Come on!
All right. Listen for Siri's number. Siri, give me a number between 21 and 100.
That would be 99.
All right, circle 99. All right, so if your voice is on, that means we're not following directions because the expectation is voice level 0. I said circle what they come to. That was the expectation, right? All right. Now, I want you to find 10 less and color that square. Find 10 less and color that square. You circle with a pencil 99, and then you color 10 less. While we're coloring anything else. I said color 10 less than 99. Charlie, what's 10 less than 99? 89. Again, you follow the column, friends, okay? That one should have been easy. All right, here we go. Hey, Siri, give me a number between 21 and 100.
The answer is 46.
All right, circle 46. Circle 46. Now, find me 10 more than 46. 10 more than 46. And color it in. Up. Why are we spinning like we breakdancing? On cushions. Now what y'all doing? Y'all acting like y'all breakdancing on cushions. Alright. Let me see who can give me this answer. Lennox, what's 10 more than 46?
56.
Very good, 56. Round of applause. Alright, good job. One more, let's go. Hey Siri, give a number between 21 and 100.
That would be 49.
49. Circle 49. Find 10 less than 49. 10 less than 49. All right, Tyree, what is 10 less than 49? 39. Right on, Tyree. All right. So let's move on. All right. So turn over to page 400. Let me explain what you're going to do. This is your last activity. You got about 9 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so you have 9 minutes to complete this, which I find that it's very easy. I'm not going to continue to talk over people. So I need voice levels off. I Let me see 2 eyeballs. Alright, girl, see eyeballs?
Yes.
You guys eyeballs are here. Alright, so let me explain what we're going to do. So, it says find the numbers that are 10 less and 10 more. You have to do both. 10 less and 10 more. So, there are 2 steps that you're going to do. Hey, I'll wait because somebody's going to listen. There are 2 steps that you're going to do. This is the numbers that you have to find. There are only 4, 65, 73, 80, and 89. What I suggest you do is that you circle the number in the chart. You have to find 10 less than 65, and you have to find 10 more than 65. If you're looking at your book, 10 less, 10 more. Write those numbers on the blank. Same for each one of these numbers. Use the chart. The number is in your book. 65, 73, 80, and 89. So you have to find 10 less of that number and 10 more of that number. Good to you. Who does not understand? Anybody don't understand? It's the same thing that we just got through doing. You're going to find 10 more and 10 less. The chart is already there for you, so you don't necessarily have to use your chart, but look in the book. Find the number 65. Then you're going to find 10 less and write it on that line. You're going to find 10 more and write it on that line. Go to the next number. You got to understand? Capiche? All right. When the voice level is 0, get to work. You all will be working with this all week. We'll do some more developing tomorrow of this. Again, please make sure that y'all are looking at 10 more and 10 less. Okay? Y'all did a good job today. I will put live school points in here shortly. Any questions? Anybody got any questions before Miss Katrina goes to the other side? Paisley.